Guys, you're welcome. Some time back, I made a video showing you the Twifo Praso bridge, which is being constructed. And today, I'm going to show you an update of how the bridge looks like, or how far they have reached. So whilst these cars pass on the bridge, all the other cars at the other end will have to stop. All these cars moving will let those at the other side wait for them. So after these ones have passed, then the other people at the other side of the bridge also start coming. That's a river. This is the pavement for pedestrians, and this is the nature of the bridge. This is how the bridge looks like. It's a railway passing through this place, and they fixed some wood by the side and some metals and a bit concrete. And this is a new construction that they are doing over here. So those cars at the other side have passed, and the place is free. Because today is a Sunday, the cars are not many using the route. There's a river, and some small island has been created over here. Wow. This is how the bridge shakes. Can you hear the noise? This is how it shakes when cars pass on. Very scary. So those who saw my other video, how they started everything, you see that all these machines were not here. And there's a hole in the bridge. This is how bad the place looks. The construction is going on steadily. Now there's this taxi coming. Look at the taxi coming. It is waiting for these cars to pass. Good evening. See the taxi waiting. It will wait for all these cars to pass before it will pass. That is what happens here. And there's no traffic light. There was even a time two cars met in the middle. And because of disagreement between them, none wanted to go back, as in reversing. So the police had to come in to intervene. Okay, so this is the underpass of the older bridge. That's the Pra River. And this is a new bridge. Very powerful bridge being constructed over the River Pra. This is all metals and cement. That's the old bridge. I spoke to some inmates of the town, and this was what they had to say.
Car betum enye dakro ewo mo na dua no na eguso no pra na car tum na wi ayeye ide ebi nsisa bi enti eye
na wo hwa traffic situation nso no ebe kwa sen
traffic no say sisi a ebi kɔ na ebi ba nti traffic no ha adwi bebree.
Okay, that's pa.
This year bridge no we afa so de bebre ye timimfo ne say aha na aye one road nti se ka ne bi fi ekire ba age aha de ni gina ansa had na be se ba se cross traffic this afufulo mu we fufulo we a ebe double road into no traffic the kan ba be sen na one thing so se be ma town ma hye na one thing so ya youth for na e mu so betuma be set business wo roadside na se na bi mu person abetumi atoto ade se na ye so be benya bibi kakra de be bibi na ye so de betumi je twa jẹun na road so an ba be main road be ma ekonomi kre mu afa because wrong we road no we bridge no na be fa te be ma tourists be attract tourists be ma for kra be ba abetwehwe bridge no ene ade.
So guys, so far this is how far the bridge has come. If you haven't watched the first video I did on this bridge, then please check the card section, check the description box, and check my end screen for that particular video. Then you know that there has been a great progress in the construction of the bridge. Thank you for watching. This is all for today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to support the channel. Bye for now.